aside. How could I tell you I loved you when you were so happy with some other guy? Now I realize you were the only one. It's never too late to show it. Grow old together and feelings we had before when we were so innocent. I pray for all your love, 'cause love is so unreal. I just wanna reach and touch you, squeeze you, somebody pinch me. This is something like a movie, and I don't know how it ends, girl, but I fell in love with my best friend. I know it sounds crazy that you'd be my baby.